Hello everyone and welcome to a very special unboxing of Designer's Choice number 7 with me, Owain, and Alison's over there. There she is. Hello everyone, welcome along today. So yeah, Designer's Choice 7, it's a limited edition die set available every month from Tonic Studios. You can buy it and it's dispatched immediately. So it's not a pre-order in that sense. And yeah, last month sold out super quick. The cantilever box, so thank you everyone who ordered those, and it's the same, it's limited quantity, so if you do want to get this set and you, from me and Alison, go through it now, you're looking forward to it, then get it at launch to save missing out. Alright, so what we're going to do is Ali will go through it now, we'll talk a little bit about it, explain the pricing, things like that, and yeah, that'll be it. So yeah, we'll kick it off. The Designer's Choice is $19.99 and $19.99 in the US as well. So £19.99 in the UK and $19.99 in the USA. There's flat rate shipping in the USA. So if you order just the Designer's Choice die, it's $2 shipping, and if you order in the UK, it's free shipping anywhere in the UK. So yeah, take it away, Al. Talk to us about Designer's Choice number 7, the elegant invite pockets.
Okay, so here's your die set. We are looking at invitations, we're looking at gift cards, anything that you want a little bit of a card that you can take away. As I go through all the products, then you'll understand a little bit more. So here's your die set. There are 12 dies, and you've got 2 different size pockets. So we've got a large pocket which comes in 2 parts, and then we've got a smaller pocket, plus we've got little sentiments to go with it. So this is exactly how it will be with you. So I'll show you a little bit more. I'll leave this on the table, but I'll show you what you can achieve with it as well. So we'll pop that down there. This is where we start. So as I said, it's 2 different size pockets, a large pocket here, a small pocket here. So you have a verso die, so you either cut the pocket with a plain shape, so if you want to use your pattern papers, perfect for that, or you cut in the pattern. And it's a beautiful, almost looks like an iris pattern to me. You can also cut the plain pattern to fit behind your pattern, if that makes sense. So that you can have a colour coming through. And exactly the same works for the smaller pocket. We also have 3 wording dies with backing plates for you. So we have invitation, for you, a gift, and some little decorative pieces as well. So absolutely gorgeous set. If invitations are on your list of things to do, then I think this is definitely the die set for you.
Yeah, I think this set, like as it is, so if you've seen the more recent, we've done boxes as part of this. We did, what was it, the Just For You set that we did it a while back as well. It's giving you everything you need to create that card. So you're going to see that in the samples in a moment, that you've got your sentiments there, you've got the backing plates, you've got those pocket elements and corners for you to use. It's everything you need in one set for $19.99. So yeah, that's kind of the unique element of this. It's got all of those best bits you would find in a big collection, but distilled into one die.
Excellent. So this is a little bit more that I was showing you. You've got your pocket die, but you can also pop the colour behind. And then we have the backing plates for the little extras then, for our little wording dies. So then I thought, well, I would do a couple of little ideas for you. These are on 5x7 cards, or just a card front actually, just for you to see how big they are, how they will look on your cards, and roughly how you can plan your cards as well. So this one I've just used the shapes themselves and cut them into the cardstock, so they make an absolutely gorgeous laser cut card front. This one I've made a little pocket, and this would be where you would pop in your invitation that you want people to keep, or they need to bring to the party with them and they don't want to bring the whole card, but they need to bring the invitation part. It could be that you're putting little pockets into a wedding invitation. So you need an RSVP, you may need a map of where the wedding is, you may need a wedding list. Lots of little extras that you want to add into the card. That's where these pockets absolutely come into their own. So the other thing I did practice on a 6x6 card, and I could actually get, let me turn this over so you can see it properly. I could actually get 2 of the large, I'm looking for a colour that will show a little bit better. Christine's used them as little layers on a card front. Let me show you that way. That's a better way. She's used them as a layer on the card front and just layered them up. There's also little areas, if you're into your crystal drops, then there's areas for you to pop your drops in as well. So that's a beautiful invitation. These are parties you definitely want to be invited to. So here's another one. And this one, Christine has embossed the design, but not actually cut it into the cardstock. And then she's added then the little extras to the design to make little details. It almost looks like it's underneath the sea to me. These look like little fronds of ferns.
So like you can use your Nouveau and little pieces then to raise them, because they can be used as a backing panel for the corners, as Ali said. Then you create nautical sort of identities to them. But yeah, it's you create that depth on there. But if you want to use them as inserts and things like that, you can use them for that too. They go both ways in that sense. So yeah, really pretty cards you're going to see now with that.
And also a lovely little gift tag. So again, we've used, it's almost like a little fan, but I think it looks so pretty. And then the little fronds added behind as a pattern. So then we've got some more. This is what I was talking to you about, a little invitation, or could be an extra card that you want to take away. So this then sits in the pocket. So this is a gorgeous card by Shilpa. I think this pattern fits the shabby chic style really, really well. It's a very, very elegant style. So that's another lovely card. Again, we've gone down the pocket route of a gift card. So this little card comes out. You can put your message onto here and then pop it back in.
And with any type of like silhouette sort of design where you have them cut out, you're relying on those colours behind as well to pop through, because they're going to change the feel of the card. So you can have a brighter design by having, it allows you to create 2 colour cards quite easily with these. Like, you have something popping from behind.
Well, Shilpa's added a 3 colour here.
Yeah.
She's gone that step further. So we've got the darker shadow coming from behind. Absolutely gorgeous. And if you tune in to the different YouTube stations from our design team, they'll show you how to make these.
Yeah, if you're watching this video and now, the design source will be available, so you'll be able to click the links below this video. But there'll be a demo for you as part of the Tonic TV show on Sunday, and also loads of inspiration and demos from your favourite crafters on the Tonic design team too. So lots out there for inspiration, but you're a creative bunch. You'll find loads of cool ways to use them anyway.
Definitely. So again, we've got a lovely layered pocket, and we've used the smaller die as a verso die. So that's your card front for your invitation, or just a card for you. Really, really stylish and very, very pretty. Let me pop that in straight. There we are. And then we've gone with a little gift card here. Sometimes you're sending a gift card and you think it's not enough. Let me show this one the right way. It's sometimes not enough. You want to give a little bit more. Well, this way you can pop your gift card inside. It can be attached then to the front of your card. And it makes it think like you've thought about your gift. So that's lovely. And then the last one then is a stunning invitation. If you want something that's classic, elegant, you've got it with these dies. I mean, I think if I was invited to that party, it would be first on my list. I'd be there straight away.
It makes a good sort of wedding anniversary card, or
it's
those milestones. It's a classy set for that. So yeah, really elegant, lives up to the name in that sense.
So I've made a little pocket, and the inside then holds the gift card. And I've left it open for you to see, so it wraps around the back of your card, and then you can glue it down, but I've left it open just for you to see how everything goes together. And then the front then I've cut into the cardstock. And again, I've gone over with the crystal drops because there are little markers there for you to put exactly where you need to put your crystal drops. So my little fan is my closure. So we've got a little part that opens, and then your card opens inside. So we have the wedding invitation in the middle. We have the large pocket at the bottom. If I was sending these out, I would cover the paper clip, but I wanted you to see exactly how it's done. And then my RSVP then is at the bottom. But this could be, again, your wedding list, your travel instructions, hotels in the area, whatever you're going to need for a wedding.
Looking at that with the corners that you got there, and your one with the invitation in between, you could use that as sort of almost a home decor if you wanted to put a bit of poetry in the middle to sort of frame it. That's what corners do really well, is you can frame something nice or something, a little message in there that you want to put in the home as well. So yeah, quite
The other thing that I haven't mentioned is these corners will go to the side of your card or they will go to the bottom, because this card is on the side and this one is to the bottom of the card. So we will go either way, whichever shape your card is, this will fit that shape as well. So absolutely gorgeous design again. And this was designed by Mark. And Mark loves his elegant style.
He does, yeah.
He likes to be a little bit shabby chic. But these are designed by Mark.
We'll try and get as well a little bit off, with every designer's choice, we try and get a little bit off the designers and what they had in mind, some of the features that they had, they plan to include in there too for you. So I think that's always quite nice and insightful to know the ideas they had behind it. So yeah, we'll have a little chat to Mark and see if we can get a little bit for that for the page for it to let you all know. But that's designer's choice at number 7, the elegant invite pockets. As I said, $19.99, whether that be in dollars on the US or in pounds in the UK. It's free delivery within the UK if you order it on the Tonic Studios store, and within the US it's a flat rate shipping if you just have that in your basket. There's really competitive shipping prices as well wherever you are in the world. So if you are looking at this set, get it, because last month they sold out before, I think, we don't even finished the day. I think it was probably about 12 o'clock. They were sold out, the cantilever box. So this is another limited edition set. It's not going to return afterwards. So yeah, if you're enjoying this set, take a little look. But this is the elegant invite pockets, Tonic Studios Designer's Choice number 7. We hope you enjoy. See you soon, everyone. Bye-bye.